Hi, today I'm going to do the chain on the bike. It's recommended you clean it every 500 kilometers and lubricate it as well. When you're cleaning it, there's all different products out there and everybody will tell you the best product to use and everybody will be different. One of the good old cleaners is WD-40. It won't do your chain any harm, and in fact it takes all the grease and shit off it. And then once it's done, you want to re-grease it with something like a chain lubricant. This stuff's bell rate, it doesn't fling off, so once you put it on you leave it for a while to dry. And once it's dried it won't fly off, you know, with your chain turning, it stays on, keeps it lubricated. The chain on my bike is an O-ring, and although the O-ring inside each bit there's an O-ring which seals it, and inside there's grease, so it's self-lubricating, but you still have rollers and stuff. I'll show you what I mean if I can get you close enough. If you have a look at the chain there, you've still got rollers. You know, these wee outer rollers here that spin round. They're not lubricated with the internal lubrication, because the pin going through each one's lubricated and there's rubber seals on the end, but there's a round collar that spins round as well. So you're better to get in there with WD-40, clean any dirt and grit out, especially if you've been riding dirt tracks and it's dusty. Give it a clean out with WD-40 and a brush, and then re-grease it. Doesn't take a lot, just a little bit, re-grease it. And if you do that every 500 kilometers, you'll get a long time out of your chain without having to replace it. Anyway, I'll start doing it, I'll start cleaning it, and I'll show you how I do it anyway. So here's my chain. So what I want to do is get all the grease and shit off it. So give it a good re-soak in WD-40 like that. Do a little bit like that. And then see if you can grab yourself a brush similar to this. And as you see, it's got brushes in 3 parts. So stick it on there and just give it a brush like that. And then once you've done that wee bit, spray in a bit more WD-40. What? Wrong stuff, shite. That was the grease. Try again. Spray in a bit WD-40 like that. Don't be scared to give it a good soak in. And give it a clean. And work your way round the whole chain. You don't have to be too abrasive with it. All you're doing is taking out any dirt and any grease that happens to be in your chain. So keep doing that until you get back to the beginning again. So once you've done it all, you spread the last on and you work your way around. Just keep giving it a good run like that. And once you've done that, just take your brush at this angle, so as you're getting the top and the bottom of the chain. Grab the bottom of the chain, twist it a wee bit so as it's got a good grip, so you're getting both the top and the bottom. Because inside of the chain, you sort of missed out by doing it from the back here. So at least that's getting it all covered. So the chain's nice and wet, nice and clean. Take a cloth, grab your chain and spin your wheel, and you will see it comes up absolutely beautiful. Look at that. You can see the difference in that already. Beautiful. And all the wee round bits here, you can turn them quite easily. Nothing's seized up. But you can rub it from the top here as well. Give it a good wipe. If you've got any grease on your runners, like say up here, and if you've got grease on these bits, you know, underneath here, and you've been rubbing your chain to keep it clean, lift your chain, poke it under there, and then just run your chain backwards so as the cloth goes along that runner and takes the shit off like that, and run it back again. That bit's nice and clean. And it's the same underneath. You've got a runner under there. Just put your cloth in under the chain, rub it up, rub it down, and that's it. And you can hold it here, give it a wee rub as well. Anything to make the chain nice and spotless. Now some people do start their bike, put it in first gear and let it tick over while they're doing that. Not advisable. The last thing you want to do is catch your bloody fingers in that chain. So that's the chain clean. Now we'll go back to greasing the chain. So now we're going to grease the chain, and as I said, use a good lubricant. Some people use a grease based, some use silicone based. Just anything will do as long as it's a good make, and this anti-fling off stuff's really good, Bellray chain lube. So give it a kind of good shake, and then spray. If you get it at the right distance from the chain, so as you're spraying from this bit to here, just hold it steady and turn your wheel. That way you're not going to get it all over your wheels. And just hold it back a wee bit so as you get the whole width of the chain. And keep going. Until you get back to the beginning again. And there we go. Back to the beginning. You don't need to overdo it. You know, that's good enough. And yeah. So that's it lubed, and then once it's done, just leave it to sit for a while. Take your cloth and have a look at your sprocket, and just clean, because your cloth's clean with WD-40, just give your sprocket a good clean like that. Turn the wheel slowly so as you're not knocking the grease off. That grease starts to set after a while. Like it goes like jelly stuff and sticks. It's quite good. But yeah, give your sprocket a clean, because it'll be covered in WD-40 and shit off your chain. Do it like that. Same with the other side. Give it a bit clean. And it makes a world of difference if you don't have grease all over the bloody place. Make sure it's all off. And if you look in your wheels, see there's a wee bit of grease splatter. The easiest thing to do with that is WD-40. Take a cloth and clean it. Look at that, spotless. It's a good excuse to clean your wheels as well. And once you've done that, do the other side. Just make sure you got all that grease off. Like that. Once you've greased it, cleaned that side of the wheel, just the same here. We're on a WD-40 around your wheel. And clean it as best you can. And while you're at it, you can clean the insides of the wheels like that. Get all the dust stuff, make it look good. And have it all nice and spotless while your grease is drying, and then clean the rest of the bike. And while you're at it with your cloth and your WD-40, may as well cleaning your front wheel as well. And then that's it all done. So there you go. That's how to clean your chain, grease your chain. Like I say, everybody has different ways of doing it. That's how I do it. So, yep, you want to do yours, enjoy.